He could have been king, but chose to be president. In 2 quiet but decisive terms, George Washington defined the office, held a fragile nation together, and stepped away from power when he didn't have to. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In 1789, the new nation turned to one man it trusted above all others, George Washington. He did not campaign, he did not ask, he was unanimously elected. Washington traveled to New York City, the temporary capital, where he took the first presidential oath and began shaping an office that had never existed. He created the first cabinet, Hamilton, Jefferson, Knox, setting the model for executive leadership and balancing power under the Constitution. Under Washington, Congress passed the Judiciary Act, established federal courts, assumed state war debts, and launched the nation's financial system. When the Whiskey Rebellion erupted, Washington personally led troops to enforce federal law, proving the Constitution could govern without tyranny. As Europe burned in war, Washington declared American neutrality, resisting pressure from France and Britain to protect the fragile republic. After 2 terms, Washington refused a third. In his farewell address, he warned against political factions and foreign entanglements. In 1797, Washington returned to Mount Vernon. He left no crown, only a precedent, power borrowed, not owned.